is facing heat for his crass remarks, trivializing drought. And now a Pune-based NGO has raised fresh allegations against Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. The NGO has said that while Ajit Pawar was the Water Resources Minister between 2003 and 2011, he diverted almost 2,000 million cubic meters of water meant for irrigation to industries instead. Meanwhile, the opposition has raised its pitch, demanding Ajit Pawar to resign immediately.
हम ये चाहते हैं कि श्री अजित पवार जी त्यागपत्र दे। अगर वो त्यागपत्र नहीं देंगे तो हम ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी, मनसे, शिवसेना, हम सब एकत्रित मिलकर रास्ते पे आकर इस उर्मट अहंकारी सत्ता की मस्ती जिस नेता को आई है उसके खिलाफ जनता का असंतोष रास्ते पे आके व्यक्त करेंगे और उचित समय में इस विषय पे और कुछ निर्णय हम सब मिलकर करने वाले हैं।
Well, let's get in more from Paulomi, who's joining us with the details. Paulomi, the opposition is refusing to back off on this issue, demanding the ouster of Ajit Pawar, and now an NGO coming forward with startling claims. Just take us through the details of where and how much trouble Ajit Pawar finds himself in right now.
Well, definitely a lot of trouble because the opposition is not backing down at all in terms of demanding his resignation. They have raised the pitch on the streets today. Today, at least, the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena and the Shiv Sena are on the streets protesting at various locations across the state against Ajit Pawar and the fact that he has obviously allowed water which was meant for irrigation to be diverted to industry. Now, these are documents part of a high-powered committee that Ajit Pawar headed. He was the chair of this particular committee. Between 2003 and 2011 in both his capacities as Water Resources Minister first and then the Finance Minister of the state, which is a portfolio he still holds. During these meetings, you will see that during several of these meetings on various occasions, he was the only person present. It is a committee which consists of at least more than 7 members, but he was the only minister present on certain days, and he signed off on papers without consultation with any of the ministers. So clearly, he had his agenda quite set that he would be diverting water to industry, and industry is priority. Yes, the rules do say that industry is priority as far as the Water Regulation Authority of Maharashtra is concerned, but not at a time, definitely
right.
Not at a time that the state is reeling under such severe drought.
Paulomi, just stay on with us. In fact, the kind of developments that have been coming forward, the reactions, the statements, let's listen into them and I'm coming back to you.
हम ये चाहते हैं कि श्री अजित पवार जी त्यागपत्र दे। अगर वो त्यागपत्र नहीं देंगे तो हम ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी, मनसे, शिवसेना, हम सब एकत्रित मिलकर रास्ते पे आकर इस उर्मट अहंकारी सत्ता की मस्ती जिस नेता को आई है उसके खिलाफ जनता का असंतोष रास्ते पे आके व्यक्त करेंगे और उचित समय में इस विषय पे और कुछ निर्णय हम सब मिलकर करने वाले हैं।